Have you ever heard of a place that is so sacred, spiritual, and mysterious? A place where you have to remove your shoes before you enter. No, I'm not talking about Sabbath or the Moses and the burning bush experience. I'm talking about a cave in Igbo land, southeast in Nigeria, that you have probably not heard about. But we are going to be discussing about it in this video. So if this is your first time of coming across this channel, welcome to the family. My name is Uche and I do everything Igbo history. If this is what you like, make sure to hit that subscribe button to join this family. And also, do not forget to like this video now or at the end of this video if you enjoyed it. To our previous subscribers, thank you for always sticking by. Now, let's dive right into the video. The name of this very place is called Ogbunike Cave, and it is located in Oba in Anambra State. It was said to be discovered by a man called Ogwa. He did not just discover it. According to the story, the spirit in that cave drew him inside the cave. And so, let me take you back in time to even gist you about this very cave very well. Imagine life many years ago when there was no road networks, no phones, no electricity. People took danger very seriously. Anything that has to endanger their life was not a joke to them. There were slave raiders, people who are willing or who are there to carry people as slaves. And there was war and colonial masters. So whenever the people of Ogbunike feel that they are in danger, they run into Ogbunike Cave just to find safety. This Ogbunike Cave is said to be one of the oldest and most respected place in Igbo land. Now, picture this, that you and your family ran into a dark cave just to stay alive, where there is no lights, no sound, just the hope that you all will be safe. Just imagine that. Meanwhile, this cave is very large, that it has more than 10 tunnels inside. There are tunnels that are big enough for you to stand up and walk in, while there are others that you have to bend down and crawl before you can be able to walk in. Even till today, nobody knows where all the tunnels lead to. Some persons say that there are ones that lead to some villages, while most of them, nobody is sure where they lead to. If anybody got lost inside one of those tunnels those days, I don't be sure say if he gets like torchlights or phone that will show you your way out, you will be missing. But anyway, to the people of Ogbunike, that very cave is beyond just a place of hiding. They believe that a spirit lives inside that place, and that spirit is called Oba. And so that place is a very sacred place for them. If you are with your shoe, you cannot enter that place. Before anybody will enter that place, you must remove your shoe. And if you're a woman that is under your period, you will not be allowed to enter that place. No hard feelings. It was just their tradition. So till today, that tradition is still being respected. Now, can you imagine walking into a place, you feel that something powerful is looking at you, watching you, but you cannot see anything? You will relate if you are conversant with horror movies. But anyway, again, many years ago, this very cave serves as a very serious settlement place, in such a way that if anybody does anything bad, you'll be asked to go inside that cave alone. If you come out safe without anything happening to you, the people believe that you are innocent. But if you do not return after many days, it is also believed that the gods have judged you guilty. Now, can you be bold enough to walk into a very dark place, such a dangerous place, just to prove your innocence? One of the beautiful things about this very cave is that inside it, you'll find streams. And the streams or water that drips from it is said to have healing power. And the water inside of it is very cold and clean. And outside of the cave, you'll find a river and many trees, tall trees. These tall trees has been very old, but nobody is allowed to cut it because it is believed, or they believe, that in those trees live spirits. Therefore, those trees were left alone. I know that probably there are places in your own community where people are not even allowed to go. Let me know in the comment section. It is important to note that the people of Ogbunike do not live in that cave permanently. So the only time they have to enter into that cave is whenever there is danger or whenever they want to perform any spiritual activity. So they will enter there, they will pray, they will sleep there, and they will even eat there. So you can imagine sleeping in a cave while trusting that heaven and earth will just grant you safety. But of course, that is no longer the story of Ogbunike village or community today, because in this modern age, Ogbunike people now live in modern houses. They have lights, roads, phones, and schools. But even at that, they still respect that very cave, because every year they have to gather from all around the world just to offer a celebration or to celebrate that very cave. It is called Ime Oma. where they have to show respect, honor their history and their ancestors. But for outsiders, many people come to that very place just to take pictures or to learn. But to the Ogbunike people, it is more than just a tourist place. It is who they are. So after many years, that very cave is still standing. It's still silent. For those that knows the story, it holds a huge meaning to them. I hope you learned something from this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you've not done that already. Like this video right now if you enjoyed it, so that YouTube can show it to more people. And also, do you people have anything in your village that connects you to your history, that connects you to your ancestors or to your roots? Let me know about it in the comment section. Meanwhile, let me know what you think about this very story in the comment section. Is there something I missed? Do not hesitate to let me know. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. My name is Uche, and I will see you in the next video.